Hey guys, this is Angie at Chicken Scratch. My video today is about the Designer Series paper charts. So we have a brand new catalog. It just launched on June 1st. I don't have all the paper in stock, but I did go ahead and make all the charts. So they're free. They're over on my website. You're going to have two choices. You can either print the blank file, or the blank one. I print them on Whisper White cardstock, and then you cut up your Designer Series paper in 2-inch squares and you add them to your blocks. Or I also have a scanned copy over on my website. Now I don't have all the paper yet, so the scanned copy is not ready. I will update that as soon as I get my paper later this week. So right now I only have about 5 of the different patterns of paper. Yeah, and we're gonna assemble one really quickly here in the video. Here are the occasions catalog if you guys missed it. I was late posting these, and so you can either print the blank ones or the scanned copy, and again, they're over on my website. I'll link to those. So what I'm going to do now is just show you, if you decide to print your charts on Whisper White, you want to make sure that you print 2 pages of the ones that have the stack. So like Garden Impressions, you want to print 2 of those. And don't print the back page because that's the instructions. Okay, so here's the Share What You Love. I'm going to show you how to add these. So again, I've cut these in 2-inch strips, and my order should be in, I think, Wednesday for the rest of the paper. So I will try to have the scanned copy of the charts posted by Thursday or Friday. It really depends on how quickly I get my order on Wednesday. Sometimes I get them midday, and then sometimes it's like the very end of the day. So okay, so I'm just putting a little bit of adhesive. I normally use liquid glue, but not today. Okay. So again, the scanned copy, all you're going to do is just print it. But I will warn you that sometimes our colored printers don't necessarily portray the exact colors. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. So it doesn't show you exactly how the colors look. So that's the only thing you want to be mindful of, is that sometimes they look much prettier in person than they do from the scanned copy. I have a pretty good scanner, so I think it does a pretty good job, but it depends on your printer, really, of how it's going to look, okay? I slide these in a page protector and keep them in a binder, so that way I can look at them at a glance at any time. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.